welcome to my channel. This is Pretty Repairs, and today I'm going to show how you can get the everyday makeup tutorial. It's for beginners. ज़्यादातर फोकस मैं बिगिनर्स या टीनेजर्स पे ही करती हूँ, जैसे कि उनको सबसे ज़्यादा बताना रहता है कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट अफोर्डेबल है, हर चीज़ को देख कर ही वो प्रोडक्ट ख़रीदें, तो उनके लिए भी बजट फ्रेंडली होता है और मैं तो आप लोग को बताऊँगी. So today I'm going to use this toning mist. This is from Sheer Secret. Amazing smell. Moisturizing cream. Well, it's a heavy cream, and as I have a dry skin type, so this is my favorite primer. I'm going to make a video on it and tell you how good it is. So stay tuned. And the best part is it is a miracle for all dry skin type people, and oily too can use it, but not much. Yes, I'm properly prepared for my base. Favorite foundation that is fit to me, and I'm in love with this. The budget friendly foundation for everyone. You can use it if you are looking for a good foundation. I will put a lot of foundation on your face and it looks to be cakey after some time. So let's just go. That's it. Use the concealer palette. It's from Hilary Rhoda. Yes. Brows. I'm not using Me Now brow pencil. It is very good and very affordable. It's it cost, I think so, 50 rupees or 60 something. This brush, it's very comfy shade here, very light in my inner eyes. Light yellow shade, golden light yellow here. I'm going to use this in my outer corners of my eyes, like this, to give a beautiful shimmer look. Next is eyeliner. On the end, use it like this and join the line upwards and just fill it up. This lipstick from NY Bay Peppy Pure. I'm going to use it as a blush, very light, and it's a nude shade, perfect brownish nude shade. Setting spray from NY Bay. I got a highlighter in my palette to use this rose gold shade here. Very light highlights. People do